What is going on, everybody? It's your pal, the Drone Trucker, on the Trucker Pass YouTube channel. Me and my student are at this tractor, John Deere tractor place in Knoxville, Tennessee, and it is really snug. So for you being a new time driver that is wanting to get in this field, it is tough in some locations, but all you gotta do is be safe, take your time, think out the problem, and go from there. But here, I'll show you a little bit. So there's the truck. We'll go over here. So you can see we're back in this little dock right here. And then we had a back end over here and pull up through here. And so you got this fence right here. That's a kind of a pain in the butt. And then we come over here and we got this building right here. That's pretty it's pretty tight right here. And then you got these tractors over here. That's kind of a pain in the butt because you can't really swing your tractor the way you want to. You gotta have to do small increments. So my advice, take your time, slow down, think how your tractor and trailer is going to react. Get out and look. I don't care if it's 1,000 times, 100,000 times, take your time. Because when you rush, you're going to hurt yourself, you're going to lose money, you're going to cause property damage, and some companies don't like property damage. So if you have any questions, comment in the description below. Hit that subscribe button for future videos that we're going to be coming out with. And check out some of our other videos, back it up tutorial and all that stuff. So be safe, keep it real.